get with you here at 26 Motors, and I want to introduce you a special car today. We actually just got this 2017 Maybach. The Maybach is a luxury, gorgeous car. And it's not even about the front. We all know it's all about the back, right? It's about being driven. So, you get in your car, you want to relax. The best thing to do in a Maybach is to lay back, right? You can just click your seat back, relax, turn your TVs on. They have a button actually, you can switch to right to left. Switch to left, I turn that TV on. I sit back, I grab my headset, control the front, just how you control the back. Sit there, you can watch, you see the navigation where you're going, you could change the music, heated seats, AC seats, you can watch TV, television, whatever you want to do. You can control the front, just how you control the back. Alright, so one of the coolest features that you have on the car, that I honestly just noticed, is you have vehicle settings, right? Go into your vehicle settings, you press on. They actually have heated ventilations on the door. So if your hands is feeling cold, whatever the case is, everything right here heats up for you. Alright? Also, it has massage seats in the back. What you do is, instead of going to vehicle settings, you go next door to seat settings. You can control how you want your seat prop, if you want the size to hug you, if you want to turn with the car, if the car does a left turn or right turn. They actually have lumbar massage seats too, which is my favorite. Also, it has a DVD player on the media. There goes your navigation.
Over here. So
right here is all your climate control. You can treat it how you want to. If you wanted the heat to go to your feet because maybe you're cold down there, you can control it right there. You can always switch it here. Go up, it's gonna hit in the front and on the bottom. Down below is where you put your CDs or DVDs. Also, you got a lot of storage compartments in the car. You got one right here for your armrest, keep a little things. Or you got one right here, you can keep some beverages. But yes, you have two storage compartments, you have your LEDs back here. You see how much space they have between the seat and how far you can lay back. Alright, so cool features on the cars. It has the touchpad, just like your laptop will have. It has the navigation, it has the internet now, so you can surf the web, you change massage seats, you can change the LEDs that's in the car, whatever color you like. Also, the safety is fair to none. Reason why, it has front collision assist, so if the car is about 5 feet or closer, it will actually apply the brakes and it will go based off the car that's in front of it. So if the car hit the brakes, your car will hit the brakes, just as a safety precaution. So also that S550 Mercedes-Benz and Maybach makes, which is pretty cool, they give you a custom air freshener, which honestly smells amazing. See how they have Maybach on it? Once again, we're doing something very special in this car today. You come buy this car today and we'll take care of your first month payment, all right? Come see me, Alonzo Nelson. I'm here with 26 Motors, and this is the 2017 Maybach.